So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you're new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, in today's video, I have for you the Trend Mood. And yeah, I don't remember what volume it is, but if you want to see what's in this box, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, I have the Trend Mood. It is a takeover box with Hello Fab, or FirstAidBeauty, as I call them. Yeah, so I'm excited because I do like a couple of the products that are in here. I do have them, I have tried them, and there are a few that I have not. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So, before I get into this, let me just say, if you are new here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephanie, and I will be your host for however many minutes it takes to go over the contents of this box. What do we do here? This is a makeup channel. We do all kinds of things, all beauty related, you know, mind, body, soul, the whole shebang, actually. We do unboxings, tutorials, try-ons, new releases. I do have a freebie series within the channel that teaches you how to get full-size freebies continuously at your door as long as you fulfill your end of the bargain, which is reviewing them. That means trying them, testing them out, and letting the companies know what you think about them. Honest opinions matters a whole lot, let me tell you. This is a family, guys. You know, if you're into beauty and you want a place to come and hang out and just have a good time, you know, not be so serious about everything, maybe take your mind off of what's going on in this crazy world, then this is definitely the place for you. By all means, please hit that subscribe button and become part of this family. Please, if you, whether you're subscribed or you're thinking about it, or you're on the fence or what have you, and you are watching this video, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. For those of you that have been doing that, thank you very much, because the likes that I'm getting on the videos are actually really helping me. Yeah, it's just a great thing, and I just want to say thank you to all the people that are doing that. All right, guys, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Trend Mood box. Like I said, I can't remember, is this like 11 or 12? It's somewhere around there, I do believe. Maybe 10 even, I'm not sure. I would have to look, and yeah, like I said, I'm actually filming on my phone, so there's no way I can do that. Now, I know you can see on the website, on Instagram, everything that's in the box, but like I said, I can't even remember what it is. As soon as I saw what brand, I was like, oh yeah, I want it. So when you open it up, there it is. And there we have it. You have from FirstAidBeauty, right? This is a takeover box. Like I said, everything in here will be from this brand. Let's go ahead and open the tissue. So this one does have blue, not purple, like Miss Trend Mood herself likes. So there we go. Oh, bubble wrap everywhere. Carly will love this. I got to keep that away from her. Okay, so there you have a little sneak peek. Now, and we just got done doing a live, hubby and I. So if you haven't checked that out, by all means, please do. I'll see if I can't link a card, but it's kind of hard. Oh my gosh, it's not easy, guys. I need to get my computer back, or get another one, because I took the other one back, remember? So I still have not gotten it. Nobody's fault but my own, but it's just really easy to insert a card when you have a computer. But I will try to link that live up there. It's definitely something, let me tell you. Anyway, we had fun though. All right, so I believe there are 5, it looks like there's 5 products in here, so again, retail values, I will try to edit them down in here. I forget what I paid for this box. I know shipping was free. I think it was $39, but I can tell you guys that one product in here alone costs $36. So basically, it's definitely, I'm imagining that the value of this box is going to be pretty good. Okay, so the first thing I see here is, this is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I should probably have my glasses on, right? Yeah, where are they? Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to get, you know what, my eyes are getting worse. I don't know what's going on. I can barely see with the glasses. It's crazy. Okay, so where were we? We were on the first product right here. Okay, so Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. Removes surface, oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. safe for sensitive skin, which is really good. I'm really happy. This is what it looks like right here. Okay, and that's a decent sized bottle. That is 5 ounces. So face wash, loving that. Okay, so that's the first product. And again, I will leave the retail value like edited in here, or the total of the box. Okay, and now this is what I was super, super excited about, because I've not tried these and I've been wanting to. These are the facial radiance pads. I heard these are really, really good. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So I'm all down for that. And you do get 60 pads. Yeah, so I'm excited. Let me see. Does it have a seal? Yeah, it has a seal on it. And I do have those swipies that we got in the BoxyCharm, whatever. I think it was the premium. I'm working on them, trying to get through those. So the next product I see here is, oh, look at this. KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Okay, you know what? I've been getting, okay, this is maybe TMI, but whatever. Remember I said I don't shave my legs anymore, like not hardly any, like I don't really have to, right? Because I'm using that machine, the Infinity machine from Silken. Well, right up around my knees, like on the inside of my knee, my skin's getting like I've been using lotion, you know, like I don't really like to slather lotion all over me. That's a known fact about myself. But, you know, especially when I'm just getting out of the shower. However, up around my knees, there's this like really bumpy skin. So I'm really excited to try this. I really want to get it. And sometimes like right on the back of my arm, just so there's a couple, you know, it's not as smooth as I would like it to be. So I'm looking forward to trying this for sure. I want to know, does it have, oh, it has a seal. Like if you don't know anything about First Aid Beauty, they are like considered all the way clean skincare. I'd have to look it up, but this says Bumpy Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, which is the good acid. So yeah, definitely looking forward to that. I know I can shed some skin cells on my body. I'm down for that. Okay, so the next thing I see here, now this is a big thing. I see this at TJ Maxx a lot. It is the Ultra Repair Intense Hydration. It's a skin protectant, colloidal oatmeal, and it says used to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. So I'm all down for that. I want to try this. At least I'm going to see if I can use it, maybe on my my hands. Now I've been using a really good hand cream, but my skin is cracking, which is weird because it usually does that in the wintertime. And I've been taking hyaluronic acid like supplements and stuff, so I don't know what that's going on. And the last product I see in here is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream with collagen peptides, niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. Like this is all pretty much safe for sensitive skin. So I am loving that. You all know my skin is super, super sensitive. Hence this thing right here. Oh God, don't even ask. Try to use one of those patches. Not a good idea. And we have this, that it does come up. Okay, let me see this. This is the only one I can get into. It doesn't have any scent. Like I said, clean skincare. It's non-fragrant. I don't believe any of this has a fragrance to it. Not any First Aid. The one coconut moisturizer the gel coconut moisturizer that I use is really, really nice. Let's see. Yeah, cream. This would be for your face. But I just want to see, like, if I use collagen masks or just collagen serum, I tried one time and I broke out like crazy. Now, I can take collagen, like, ingest it, which is usually the best way to introduce collagen to your body, so I've been told. But, yeah, so it does moisturize. I mean, my hand feels nice. It doesn't feel greasy. I got a big thing about that. I don't want anything to be, like, I like it to sink in, not to, like, sit on top of my face. But guys, let me tell you about this really quickly. Check out this. We got this in a box. I don't know if it was Ipsy or maybe BoxyCharm. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. And if I can find it, I will leave it up here somewhere. This is the, it's the paint lip color from About Face. Here it is right here. I have it on. Guys, holy crap. I am freaking loving this stuff. I broke down and used it because I was going to, like, you know, I have so many lippies, right? Well, I was just sitting here going, I haven't used that yet because this is the first time I'm using it. Oh my God, look at this. This is one payoff, one swipe payoff. And the thing about it is you cannot feel this on your lips. It's matte, but it's not like that where it just sucks the life out of your lips. It's a very comfortable mat. It doesn't budge. Now, I do have my Lancome, you know, lip plumper, this stuff. My favorite, $26. We'll pay it every time to get more, which I do need more. Yeah, I just have a little bit of that over it, and oh my God, I'm loving it. I want to get every single color they have. I'm really liking About Face is the name of the brand. And I don't know the shade. Let me see, what is this shade? Paint It? Paint It lip color, that would make sense. Okay. Anyway, there's the color, and I do like it a lot. It's very comfortable. All right, so let me tell you, I will leave the total of the box here. I will look for everything. Now, I do believe this is a new product. One of these is a new product, and I'm thinking it's this one. And that is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And I am excited for this. I will let you all know how this works out. But yeah, guys, there you have it. That is the Trend Mood Box for volume, I think 11, maybe 10. I could be mistaken. Don't listen to me. I know nothing. I would have to go. I'll put it here. And again, I'll leave the total of the box right here. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. By the way, I did pick the winner for the Natasha Denona Love Palette. And that will be in tomorrow's video. I will put it in there somewhere. I will flash the name on the screen. You know how I always do it. And yeah, so guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are blue, I look a mess. If you are blue, please, or just down, just not feeling right, you know, with everything going on, no surprise, right? Please reach out and talk to someone. Don't hold it in. It can only do damage. Getting rid of it, taking the power away from it, the more you talk about it. And if you don't know what's wrong, you just feel like there's something wrong, the more you talk about it, you probably will figure it out. And if you are that kind of person that has a friend or a loved one, please be that friend, that good friend that asks, hey, what's wrong, you know, and lend your ear. You very well may help someone. It's a very good feeling. But most of all, guys, in this crazy, crazy mixed up world we're in, please stay safe. Till the next one. See ya.